Yes. Money Hunter is a very good anime. I think you should watch it. Hunter is a very good anime. I think you should watch it.
It's good, but there's some better animes up there, like Solo Leveling, like like Demon Slayer,
No money, no.
like 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 what?
Should I search it?
Make it big.
No. Money, search it on your mom's phone instead. Money, go search it on your mom's phone. That's a really good phone to search it on. Hey, don't do that.
What do you do?
Lacey, did you clip that? Wait, Lacey, did you clip that?
No, you didn't.